Hi, Bill Boy. Let's share. Today, I will show you Thomson-Eastcoast Line Te2 Woodlands MRT. Just brief to show and what kind of utilities may have in my head last time. Woodlands MRT is on top of Woodlands Ave here. You can see the TL line from Woodlands North all the way down, crossing island, then turning over here. There are many MRTs are here. I turn on the light, the Tanjong route to coming all the way until Sungay Bedok. And Woodlands MRT is one of TL package 1, and package 2 is T4 to T9, followed by T3 till 4. Project is 203. Contract G, amount 292 million, and already open 2021 August 28. And see where it is. The station of Woodlands MRT with previously NS9 of MRT, adding entrance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and those line is open cut, shows where to excavate to build the structure underground. And just now we saw what was that? NS9, a main structure of station. Exit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. While we are talking about utilities on the road, this photo is taken from Google. Then you can imagine what happened the last time. The road was straight. Then in order to make excavation with the ERSS, this is a strut, you can see. Then divert the road. And what about utilities? Utilities may divert out this way, but this line is also excavation area. So even if divert above, later on still part of excavation. The load is coming divert up above. What about utilities? May just support directly without diversion, or they divert above. So within excavation area there is no utilities to support. So just free of utilities to work, excavate, finish, backfilling. Then the balls above diverted one can divert back during excavation, and during backfilling time it can be kind of option depending on the project. So then we may come down the road to see what looks like, what kind of utilities we had last time. And the table may show like a POB water, POB sewer, drain, telecoms, powers, high tension from 230 kV, 66 kV, 22 kV and 6.6 kV, and LV cable, the gas, still light, traffic light, POV, and park trays. See what kind of utilities may have in this project. This is Singapore land. Then we go down and I just type it Woodlands MRT. This is location last time. Then the current MRT, and the photo is taken during excavation of 5, 6, 7. So 7 area. And this is where we need to excavate as open cut. You can see where to park a crane excavating. Then you can see the struts. You can see the crane with the ERSS line, retaining wall, and the strut. After excavation, we'll build underground structure over here. And previously you may imagine the loads when for here. And the loads, a lot of utilities may go through here. Then either divert above. At the construction of these, they divert back on the road and excavate the next one, or the current one just divert, just support everything during the excavation time. But what we have then risk we may have to encounter during the excavation time, we have a chance of damage during backfilling time, either hitting, falling hazard when it drops something, because this is a final load. Divert above and divert back. So where we do utilities within excavation area. So it could be one of option, diversion, second, support. See what was last time. So current entrance has built 6, 7, and this is where last time had excavated area. And this one would be 5, and main structure over here. So 5, 6, 7, meaning 5, 6, 7, and this is where excavation has finished last time. So you see what happened last time. 2008. So 2008 load was straight, and this is 2021. So you click 20, even 2015. Before excavation. The trap light, still light, was box of LTA RAM for still light, and trap light 8-inch box. Then you can imagine on the road what kind of things we have. On the left side there is residential structure, residential like HDB or condominium. On the right side there's some facility. Then we need a sewer, water to supply, telecom, power. That could be basic learning on the road. So then this is where excavated to build a new one. Across the 6 area was under excavation. I go out to cross, then see this view of H7, then 2019 already built. So this is 2019. So if you compare from 2015 to 2019, what may happen here? 2015 to 2019 for the 4 years. It might happen at this part of excavation. 2015 to 2019. So where we have excavated here. Next to 7 area. Then roughly you can imagine now this load, then excavate, so divert above, then excavate as open cut, then build the structure. Whatever utilities over here last time in 2018 or 2015 before excavation, there was underground. And these utilities, what happened? Option 1 could divert above along the diversion line. After completion of backfilling, then divert back to the permanent. Option 1. Option 2, just excavate with the suspension of utilities. In terms of time, cost, it could be better to support than the risk of damage during the excavation and during the backfilling. Whether take or cannot take. So normally, you divert out. But if there's no space to divert out, there's no corridor, is not able to do divert, then we have to support. Just I'm imagining it can be option 1 or option 2. If there was space beside, they could divert out, divert back. And after backfilling time, back the traffic light, OG boxes, finishing, and the drain. It may not be very big there. And the other side also have is number 6, but this side also the same. There was excavation area because there is underground linkway to cross from this entrance to down all the way underground to come up, meaning this area also opened the last time. You may have another utilities of this load underground, either support, divert back. This is drain, revenue chamber. So last time in 2015 there was trees, drain, planting, cut off the trees, remove traffic light, and you may imagine this place was built new entrance. So last time trees cut off, and during my divert first time, during the excavation time, then divert back as permanent location of drain. Then the curve also a bit changed, and this part is excavation area to connect to the other side of X7, and this part also as phase by phase, including the station part, be excavated previously. And this part of 2021 have another new. You may see previous what happened 2021. This is 2020, 2019. This is 2018 excavating. 17, 15. So 15, nothing there. Utility wise, could be drain, and you can see the another manual could be Telecom. Still light trees cut off, then excavate do the ERSS retaining wall and build the after excavation, build this entrance. What is utilities may have underground utilities might have. I may have to see the utility layouts things, but basically just you can imagine telecom, power, water, storage, since I have so many residential buildings over there in this. Then we back, just look at this station on the left side, go to numbers exit 1 to 4 area, and then 7. So this is B, viewing 4, exit 4, 3, 2, 1 with NS9. So this could be NS9, 4, 3, 2, could be entrance 1. Since these entrances are will not built along the road, is out of the road, we may not have disturbed much utilities underground. Okay, you can see this underground came from behind main station of this pipe with open cut excavation, so might have tough A&E work to go through the existing station underground to make the entrance 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, this is where I showed where it come from. T2 of Woodlands MRT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way the line of Thomson line. I just show might happen last time as per layout I can foresee. Sure, next time I may introduce another Thomson line station next time. Thanks.